Good afternoon and welcome back to How To Bloke. This is a very quick tip. Okay, not everybody's got time to do a pizza from scratch all the time. We'll talk about frozen pizza just for 60 seconds. Frozen pizza, here we are. This one is with chorizo. You don't need to focus on that, but that's it. Now, what you do is you take the pizza, this is it here, you take the pizza out of the cellophane and just take it out so it's like this. Look, there we are. It's still cold to the touch. What you do, you've probably been trying to cut these things after they've come out of the oven, wrestling with them with one of these wheel things, or I don't know, a big knife, or trying to sort of, no, that's too long, trying to cut the thing like this, you know, and oh, it's all very well and good, but less stress. I'll show you what to do. When the pizza is thawed out a bit, this is frozen pizza, don't forget. When the pizza is thawed out a bit, and you can move it with your fingers tips like that, just cut it up before you bung it in the oven. Look. Just like that. So you guess how many pieces or portions you want. Cut them up first, nice and small perhaps. Okay, the bits are falling off of this one more than normal, but you just put them back on again. I'll show you. That's one half. Put that back on there. This is the other half of it. Like that. I've started that one, so I'll finish it. There's a program about that one. Started it, so I'll finish. Anyway. So there we are. There's your pizza. Reassemble it, of course. Reassemble it. And now, you put the oven on, whack the oven on, maximum 250 degrees centigrade, that's 400 degrees plus. It goes in for a maximum of 10 minutes, don't put it any longer because it will go all hard. Now, when you take that out of the oven, I will show you because you can get the idea. When you get it out of the oven, you can either pick the pieces up with your hand, like one for you, one for you, one for you, or use a spatula. How easy is that? You don't have to wrestle with it. I've got one of these things. You probably use one of these things, which I never use anymore. No, that's a lemon baller. Or something like this. I can't find the one, but something like this on a bigger scale where you cut it like that. You don't have to fuss and fancy with that. You just cut it before. Obviously you can't cut it. If it's frozen solid, you can't get the scissors across. So let it thaw out a little bit, just so you can move the crust and then cut it into bits. There we are. There's my top tip for today. There you have it, a top tip for today. Nice and quick. What to do with a frozen pizza. How to serve it up. Bye for now. See you again.